Mopar in a unique, especially in classics. 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. Two-door hardtop. This is a LM23H0R VIN car, Ontario built. Now has a 360 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Also has power steering. We'll look underneath there after we start it up, let you hear it run. But Edelbrock intake has been added, new Holley carb. According to the previous owner, dynoing at 400 horsepower. Should go ahead and take a look. The front chrome, the grille, bright work. Looks good. Flat black paint and the lime green. Great looking combination with that black vinyl roof. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, check out the interior engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Weld drag style rims. Goodyear radial tires up front. And I believe it was BF Goodrich in the back. Interior, black vinyl buckets, center console, automatic shifter there, has a push button start, and I'll show you how that works here just shortly when we get around to the driver's side and start it up. See, the car's nice and straight. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust in the rear, looks like Flowmasters on it by the underside picks. Rear wing. And again, you can see this car from every angle, underside, interior, trunk, engine bay. Uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. So that rear chrome bumper is looking good. Take a look down the driver's side here. Not really full of any sort of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, it's been driven. You may find an imperfection here and there, but overall, paint shows very well. Take a look at this vinyl roof. Also in nice shape. There'll be still pictures of that from every angle on the website. Trim pieces, bright work around it, all look good also. It is a 727 automatic transmission that has been built, by the way. Take a look at the interior. See, the seats pretty much free of rips, tears, or nicks. A little bit of wear right here, a little bit between the piping and the bolster there. But overall, interior shows well also. Take a look at the headliner, intact, also in nice shape. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. I'll show you where that push button start is. So you want to turn the key. That will turn on the ignition. I'm going to turn the key, and it would be this button right here. We're going to push for the starter. Starts easily. I did have the wipers working earlier. Wipers were fine. Take a look at the gauges. Look at oil pressure over here. Rose nicely. Voltmeter. The one I noticed didn't get any movement out of the fuel gauge, FYI. Tack works. Let it warm up here a little bit. That was a cold start. Sounds like it's got a nice little cam in it. Take a look at the dash. Good sounding 360. This thing will turn some heads into your local roll-ins, car shows, cruise-ins. Listen to that. That sounds healthy. Alright, we'll slip up to the front. Let's pop these hood pins out and let you take a look at the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, FYI, there's the hood pins, but there is also the release too. So it's not just the hood pins holding that hood down. There's that 360 Edelbrock Performer intake, Holly carb, power steering, Edelbrock aluminum heads. Nice, simple, tidy looking engine bay, power steering, of course, mentioned that earlier. Definitely healthy sounding. Sounds good. Nice deep throaty bark out of that. A little bit of a cam. There you go. 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger 2-door hardtop. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.